Hello, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel Ayur Yoga Mudra. Now, today I am going to tell you one important mudra, and this mudra is for ladies in any age. Those who having problem with the menstruation, fertility problem, this mudra is very much perfect. This is one of the top most mudra for the ladies. This mudra is called Yoni Mudra. Yoni represents the vulva of the lady. So it is actually the symbolical form of the vagina part of the ladies. So this mudra is so much 100% effective in those who having problem with the menstruation, especially the pain in menstruation, irregular periods, and lot of blood coming during the menstruation, or the pain, abdominal pain, and the problem with the menstruation and PCOD, and also those who having the fertility issues. Some more girls having the problem in fertility and carrying problem and uterus problem, or those who having problem in carrying having a baby, or the problem with the irregular periods. All the problem related to ladies can be issued cured by this mudra. This mudra will activate the feminine energy in the body. So those who having lack of female energy or feminine energy, and those who have need to increase the feminization, they can try this mudra. So this mudra is very much easy to do, and you can do this mudra in Sukhasana or Padmasana position. So this will cure the problem related to the menstruation, the heavy pain and bleeding. Everything can be cured by this Yoni mudra. So now I will do the demo of the process. So please watch it carefully, because this mudra is very much important and very much careful needed to do this mudra, because the environment must be calm. And don't do this mudra while watching TV or something, or you are lying on bed. Don't do. Only do this mudra in Padmasana or Sukhasana. So unlike those other mudras, this mudra must be more careful while doing. So now I will do the demo. Once more, Namaste. Now the demo will start. First, the spinal cord must be straight. Already I told in many of my videos, before doing the mudra, the spinal cord must be straight and neck also must be straight. So you can sit in Padmasana or Sukhasana. Better you can sit in Sukhasana. Sukhasana is the best position. And remove all the ornaments in the hands. No need to wear watch or ring. So now please watch very carefully. First you need to touch the tip of thumb, index finger. Then the remaining 3 fingers of each hand must be crossed together. So this is the Yoni mudra. So please watch it very carefully. The touched thumb of 2 hands must be pointing towards upwards in the direction of the sky, that is upward direction, and the 2 index fingers that is touched must be pointing downwards. So, and the other three fingers of the both the hands must be crossed together. So this is the representation of the Yoni mudra, and this is must be placed bit after the abdomen. This must be in between. The hands are in the position of the Yoni mudra representation. The hand must be placed between the abdomen and the navel area. So you can place the hands after the belly button. So don't do after making the Yoni mudra representation on hands, don't put it above the navel button. So it must be placed after the between the navel and the abdomen, and don't put it above the area above the belly button. So the representation of this mudra must be below the belly button. So you need to placed like this. You can watch the video very carefully. The representation, I am showing the representation. Please watch it very carefully. Must be more careful. The thumb must be pointing upwards in the sky direction, and the two index fingers touched must be pointing downwards. This is a representation, and it must be placed between the navel area and the abdomen area. Don't place the hand above that. You can do this mudra in Sukhasana position. This is another thing, Sukhasana position, and the spinal cord must be straight and the neck will be also straight. So this is a representation. So you can practice this mudra for 20 to 30 minutes, and don't do this mudra in lying position. Only do this mudra in Sukhasana or Padmasana position. And don't wear any ornaments, and do this mudra in empty stomach. No problem, you can do this in your menstrual time also. It will cure the pain and every problem related to the menstrual time. And those who having the problem in menopause time, they can also do this mudra, and this mudra will balance the estrogen level in your body. And those who having problem in pregnancy or fertilization, they can try this mudra. This mudra is 100% effective in that also. And another thing is, those who are suffering from more hair growth in body or male hormone like testosterone in body, they can also use this mudra. It will cure the unwanted hair growth in body, and it increases the feminine energy in the body. So it will increase the feminization and increases the girlish nature in the body. So this is another important of this mudra. So all the problem related to, and those who are in 14-15 age, and those who are not get puberty, or those who are having problem in periods, they can also try this mudra. This mudra is 100% effective for them also. And those who girls having low sex drive, low mood, they can also try this mudra. This mudra is very much easy and very easily can do. Another thing is, the area must be calm and there will be no more noises. So you must be calm and you can take the birth normally, normal respiration normally. So you can do this mudra in morning time or evening time, no problem for that. Anytime, any convenient time you can do this mudra, but the stomach must be empty. And don't do this mudra generally after the meal or after bathing. And one of the main other advantages is the increases the feminine energy. So those who are doing this mudra became more beautiful and more feminine in nature. And another thing is, it will balance the body. Those who are suffering from falling, or those who are having problem in balancing the body, some of the persons having the balancing problem in body, so they must do this mudra. Mudra is more effective for people who are having balance problem. Some people will several times fall down and having the problem in balancing the body, so I will suggest them this mudra. This mudra is more efficient for them to balance the body. So you can try this mudra. And those who are having problem in giving birth to child or pregnancy also problem, or those who wish to have a baby, and those who used many medicines and no use, and those who wish to have a baby, they can do this mudra. And also one more thing, this is mudra is for women, and those who boys, they can try the linga mudra. The linga mudra I also already done the demo in my channel. The linga mudra is for increasing the testosterone and masculine energy, and this is yoni mudra is for feminine energy. And now thanks for watching my channel. If you like my video, like my video and subscribe my channel. If you have any queries or any suggestion, please put in my comment box. Thanks for watching. Once more, thanks for watching. And if you have any health issues or any problem related, so please comment, put in the comment box. I can surely provide the resolution for that. Thanks for watching. I wish everybody have a good, fruitful, healthful life. Thank you once more. Thank you.